Hi friends, it's Des from Dzdjewelry. It's time for the May 2018 Bargain Bead Box unveiling. Let's see what we have. For May 2018, the theme of the Bargain Bead Box is Flutter. Beautiful copper finished beads and findings with varied pink gemstones. And this month we received a total of 15 items with a value of $57. I strongly encourage all my jewelry making friends, craft making friends to subscribe to the Bargain Bead Box. It's really a great value. You get this lovely organza bag, as you see here, to the right of the screen. It's or left, depending how you look at it. It's a lovely little organza bag, which you could reuse or not if you like. I don't reuse them with my customers. I use them for myself, but it's a really pretty bag, and you get usually like 13 to 15 items, and the total value comes up to be usually like between $45 to $57. And let's just go through them. I'm not going to go through every single item. I usually just try to focus on the items that really catch my eye. And so this month, let's take a look. Let's go in closer here. This month, I'm going to focus on, let's see. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to focus on, let me see what this is right here. This one right here. It's kind of pretty. Hope you can see it. Try to get the light on it real good. Let's see right there. This is number 6. And number 6 right here is this beautiful filigree pendant. So I know I will be using this pendant right here. It's so beautiful. Be using that in a necklace probably. That's really beautiful. And if you come right here, some beautiful 6mm rose quartz. Round, a 6mm rose quartz gemstone beads. It's really nice quality here. So these are real nice. And as I mentioned before in my previous videos, what I like about the Bargain Bead Boxes, they come labeled and they come in their own separate bags, which is really nice. And if we take a look down here, we have, where am I? Look at these. We have number 12, which is some crystal rondelle beads in rose copper. These are really nice. Try to get in close here so zoom in. You guys can see them. They're really shiny. It's really nice in that rose copper. So that'd be nice with these copper findings. Really pretty. This would be really nice. Okay. And there's something else I wanted to show you guys. It's over here. Well, let's look at this first. This is really nice, isn't it? This little stone right here, which is a rhodonite. I hope I'm saying that right. Rhodonite gemstone pendant. It's really nice. I'm gonna try to pick this guy up for you guys. Okay. It's really nice. This is a nice size too. This is 35mm. Flip it over. It's really nice. It's drilled out. It's top drilled. So that's really nice. I'll use that as a focal bead. And some copper finished beads over here. Where am I? I'll try to find it for you guys. Okay, here it is. A little copper finish, little beads here. So cute. You can use those with the rondelles. Those are cute. And this little guy here, this is a butterfly chandelier focal. He's cute. He has a little iridescence to him. If I pick him up, maybe you can see it. If I can find this. Okay, sorry. There's a little iridescence to the copper. If I hold it towards the light, there you go. Here's some more little copper beads right here. And they all have that little iridescence in the copper. They all have it, if you notice that. And straight above here, try to get a little closer. Over here, some rhodonite 8mm round gemstone beads over here. Look at these. I got a nice little bag size of them. This is really nice. That's nice right there. I don't really tell you how many is in the bags. I didn't count them yet, but it's a good little amount. You make a nice little bracelet. Put some findings in there. And then we have some nice little shiny little copper beads here. So nice. Some little toggles with the copper findings. Same thing over here. Some more little butterflies. And it's great because we're going into spring, into summer. So the whole theme of the box is that whole summer, spring, you know, with the butterflies. We have some more that pinky quartz color, which is really nice to just finish out like a bracelet or something. Earrings. It's a good quality too. That's nice. And that would go quite well with, this is a light rose. This light rose will go quite well with that quartz beads. It's a good quality. And like this, like I said, again, is just a great quality for $57. Here's some little spacers in here, bead caps. I mean, some perfect little bead caps that you could use to make some earrings. So tiny, but it's perfect for earrings. They give you some great chain that I could use to make a pendant necklace with this. So they always give you something that you can make a craft right away. You can make a piece of jewelry right away. It's actually a good quality chain too. A good quality copper chain. It's really good. It's not cheap at all. So for $15, $18 a month, you know, it's actually a great deal to get $57 worth of products for, you know, up to like $18.99 a month. You know, it's actually a great deal to get $57 worth of products. So I encourage, and no, they're not paying me to do this video. I don't get any products for free. I don't get any plugs for my Etsy shop. I do this all on my own. I'm just so excited about, you know, the deal that, you know, I don't ever run out of products or ideas to make any items for my Etsy shop. So I encourage any makers, if you want to make jewelry for yourself, check out bargainbeadbox.com. Sign up and you'll always have jewelry to make, jewelry to sell, jewelry for yourself, get ideas, and you'll always have something in your stash. So that's it for the May 2018. Check out my Etsy shop. Like, share, subscribe for more bargain bead box discoveries. And I will be back with my bead box unveiling for May 2018. Thanks a lot. Like, share, and subscribe. And check me out on Etsy, Dzdjewelry.etsy.com. And check out my freestanding website at Dzdjewelry.com. Thanks. Bye.